I'd like to invite you to take my songs that every ukulele player must know, which is 4 weeks, 1 hour in Zoom. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear somebody you love. Happy birthday to you. That is one of the songs that I think and I believe every single ukulele player should know how to play instantly. When it's somebody's birthday, just whip out your ukulele and play. What's another song that every ukulele player should know how to play, must know how to play? That is This Somewhere Over the Rainbow. You just need to know the chords, the strum patterns, and then put it together. I'd like to invite you to take my songs that every ukulele player must know. 1 hour in Zoom for 4 consecutive weeks.